Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast, Learn English with Slow Conversations.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you are here today. If you are learning English, you are in the right place.
Yes, here we speak slowly, we use simple words, and we help you understand real English.
Today's topic is daily routine.
Yes, your daily routine, what you do every day.
We will talk, we will explain, and we will repeat.
So you can listen, understand, and speak.
Before we start, please like this podcast and subscribe to our channel.
It helps us, and it helps more people learn English.
Okay, let's begin.
Part 1. Wake up. Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. Let's repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Say it slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job. Now listen again. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Ronald, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Ooh, that's early.
Yes, I wake up early.
Repeat. I wake up early.
Again, I wake up early.
Great, you're doing well.
Part 2. Morning routine. After I wake up, I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Slowly. I brush my teeth.
Very good.
Then I wash my face.
Repeat. I wash my face.
Listen again. I wash my face.
After that, I drink water.
Good sentence. Repeat. I drink water.
Simple and useful.
Part 3. Breakfast. Do you eat breakfast, Stephanie?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Repeat. I eat breakfast every day.
My breakfast is simple. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That's a great example.
Repeat. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Again, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Ronald, what do you eat?
I eat bread and eggs.
Repeat. I eat bread and eggs.
Part 4. Going to work or school. After breakfast, I go to work.
Repeat. I go to work.
Simple sentence.
Some people say, I go to school.
Repeat. I go to school.
Ronald, how do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Repeat. I go by bus.
You can also say, I go by car. I go by bike.
Try saying one sentence now.
Part 5. At work or study. At work, I check my emails.
Repeat. I check my emails.
Then I start my work.
Repeat. I start my work.
Simple, clear, easy.
At school, you can say, I study English.
Repeat. I study English.
Good job.
Part 6. Lunchtime. At 1 p.m., I eat lunch.
Repeat. I eat lunch.
What do you eat?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Repeat. I eat rice and vegetables.
You can also say, I eat chicken. I eat noodles.
Very useful sentences. Part 7. Afternoon.
In the afternoon, I work more.
Repeat. I work more.
Or, I study more.
Repeat. I study more.
Keep it simple.
Part 8. Evening. In the evening, I go home.
Repeat. I go home.
Then I relax.
Repeat. I relax.
Stephanie, what do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
Repeat. I watch TV.
Sometimes I read a book.
Repeat. I read a book. Part 9. Dinner. At night, I eat dinner.
Repeat. I eat dinner.
What do you eat?
I eat light food.
Repeat. I eat light food.
Part 10. Night routine. Before sleep, I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Then I go to bed.
Repeat. I go to bed.
Simple sentence. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Repeat slowly.
Part 11. Free time. Hobbies. After work, I have free time.
Repeat. I have free time.
Free time means time to relax, time to enjoy.
Ronald, what do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
Repeat. I listen to music.
Sometimes I play games.
Repeat. I play games.
Simple and fun.
In my free time, I watch movies.
Repeat. I watch movies.
Again, I watch movies.
Good job. Keep going. Part 12. Talking about likes.
Now let's talk about likes.
We use I like.
Repeat. I like.
Example. I like music.
Repeat. I like music.
Another example. I like coffee.
Repeat slowly. I like coffee.
Stephanie, what do you like?
I like reading.
Repeat. I like reading.
Again, I like reading.
Very nice. Part 13. Talking about dislikes.
Now dislikes.
We say, I don't like.
Repeat. I don't like.
Example. I don't like cold weather.
Repeat. I don't like cold weather.
Stephanie, what don't you like?
I don't like loud noise.
Repeat. I don't like loud noise.
Simple and clear.
Part 14. Making simple questions. Now, questions.
We use do you,
Repeat.
do you?
Example. Do you like tea? Repeat. Do you like tea?
Ronald, do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Good answer.
You can also say, no, I don't like tea.
Repeat both. Yes, I like tea. No, I don't like tea.
Great job. Part 15. Daily small talk. Let's have a small conversation.
Listen first.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like tea?
No, I don't like tea.
Now repeat with us.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like tea? No, I don't like tea.
Great job. Part 16. Talking about food. Let's talk about food.
We say I eat.
Repeat. I eat.
Example. I eat rice.
Repeat. I eat rice.
I eat fruit.
Repeat. I eat fruit.
Ronald, what do you eat at night?
I eat light food.
Repeat. I eat light food.
Part 17. Talking about drinks. Now, drinks.
We say I drink.
Repeat. I drink.
I drink water.
Repeat. I drink water.
I drink tea.
Repeat. I drink tea.
Very useful.
Part 18. Expressing feelings. Now, feelings.
We say I feel.
Repeat. I feel.
I feel happy.
Repeat. I feel happy.
After work, I feel tired.
Repeat. After work, I feel tired. Part 19. Talking about the weather. Let's talk about weather.
We say it is.
Repeat. It is.
It is hot.
Repeat. It is hot.
It is cold.
Repeat. It is cold.
It is rainy.
Repeat. It is rainy. Part 20. Talking about time. Now, time.
We say it is 5 p.m.
Repeat. It is 5 p.m.
What time is it?
Repeat. What time is it?
Good question.
Part 21. Simple daily conversation. Listen carefully.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat?
I eat breakfast.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
Now repeat together.
Part 22. Listen and repeat practice. I like music.
I don't like noise.
I eat rice.
I drink water.
I feel happy.
It is hot.
Great. Keep practicing. Part 23. Speak with confidence.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
You are learning.
You are improving.
Say it. I can speak English.
Again, I can speak English.
Part 24. At a shop. Basic conversation. Stephanie, let's go to a shop.
Okay, I am at the shop.
Good. Now we use simple English.
First sentence. Hello.
Repeat. Hello.
Then we say, I want this.
Repeat slowly. I want this.
Again, I want this.
Very useful sentence.
You can also say, I want that.
Repeat. I want that. Part 25. Asking price. Now, ask the price.
We say, how much is this?
Repeat slowly. How much is this?
Again, how much is this?
Very important sentence.
You can also say, how much is that?
Repeat. How much is that? Part 26. Understanding price.
Shopkeeper says, it is 100 rupees.
Repeat. It is 100 rupees.
Another example, it is 50 rupees.
Repeat. It is 50 rupees.
Listen again and repeat.
Part 27. Saying yes or no. If you like it, say,
Yes, I like it.
repeat, yes, I like it.
If you don't like it, say,
No, I don't like it.
repeat, No, I don't like it.
Part 28. Buying something. If you want to buy, say,
I will take it.
repeat, I will take it.
Again, I will take it.
Very common sentence. Part 29. Simple shop dialogue.
Listen first.
Hello,
Hello,
how much is this?
it is 100 rupees.
Okay, I will take it.
Now repeat with us.
Part 30. At a restaurant. Now we go to a restaurant.
We sit down.
First sentence.
I am hungry.
Repeat, I am hungry.
Very useful.
Part 31. Ordering food. We say,
I want food.
repeat, I want food.
More natural sentence. I want rice.
Repeat, I want rice.
I want tea.
Repeat, I want tea. Part 32. Polite request. To be polite, say, please.
Full sentence. I want tea, please.
Repeat slowly. I want tea, please. Part 33. Waiter questions. Waiter asks.
What do you want?
Repeat. What do you want?
Answer. I want rice.
Repeat. I want rice. Part 34. Food conversation practice.
Listen carefully.
What do you want?
I want rice.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
Now repeat. Part 35. At a hotel.
Now hotel conversation.
We say, I need a room.
Repeat. I need a room.
Again, I need a room. Part 36. Asking for help.
You can say, can you help me?
Repeat slowly. Can you help me?
Very useful sentence.
Part 37. Check-in conversation. Listen first.
Hello, I need a room.
Yes, one room.
Thank you.
Now repeat together. Part 38. Daily travel sentences.
Now travel English.
We say, where is this place?
Repeat. Where is this place?
Another sentence. How do I go?
Repeat. How do I go?
Part 39. Asking directions. Example, where is the bus stop?
Repeat. Where's the bus stop?
How do I go there?
Repeat. How do I go there?
Part 40. At the airport. Stephanie, now we are at the airport.
Yes, I am at the airport.
Good. First sentence.
Hello,
Repeat. Hello. Next sentence.
I have a ticket.
Repeat slowly. I have a ticket.
Again, I have a ticket.
Part 41. Check-in. Now, check-in.
We say, I want to check in.
Repeat. I want to check in.
Another sentence. Here is my ticket.
Repeat. Here is my ticket. Part 42. Passport.
Very important word. Passport.
Sentence. Here is my passport. Repeat slowly. Here is my passport. Again. Here is my passport. Part 43. Simple questions at airport.
Staff asks, where are you going?
Repeat. Where are you going?
Answer, I am going to Delhi.
Repeat. I am going to Delhi. Part 44. Boarding pass. New word. Boarding pass.
Sentence, this is my boarding pass.
Repeat. This is my boarding pass. Part 45. Asking for gate.
Now ask for gate.
Sentence. Where is my gate?
Repeat slowly.
Where is my gate? Again. Where is my gate? Part 46. Time question.
Important question. What time is the flight?
Repeat. What time is the flight?
Answer, the flight is at 5 p.m.
Repeat. The flight is at 5 p.m. Part 47. Security check. Now, security check.
Simple sentence. Open your bag.
Repeat. Open your bag.
Another sentence. Put your bag here.
Repeat. Put your bag here. Part 48. On the plane.
Now we are on the plane.
Sentence. I am on the plane.
Repeat.
I am on the plane. Another sentence. I sit here.
Repeat. I sit here.
Part 49. Asking for help. Plane.
If you need help, say, can you help me?
Repeat. Can you help me?
I need water.
Repeat. I need water. Part 50. Simple airport conversation. Now listen.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I want to check in.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Where is your gate?
My gate is 5.
Good. Part 51. Listen and repeat.
I have a ticket.
I have a passport.
Where is my gate?
What time is the flight?
I am on the plane.
I need water.
Great job.
Part 52. Confidence practice. Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Don't be afraid.
You can do it.
Say it now. I can speak English.
Again, I can speak English.
Final wrap.
Today, you learned airport English.
Very useful. Very practical.
Practice again and again.
Use these sentences in real life.
Now tell us in the comments.
Have you been to an airport?
And what do you say there?
We want to hear from you.
See you next time.
Bye.